So guys, today's session is towards how we can create reports. Okay. So I hope the screen is visible now. So yesterday we have seen what is my screen visible? Yeah. So the first question is so is there any doubts till yesterday? Okay, so we have checked log activity, offense and dashboard, followed by assets also. Now today's activity is towards reports. How to set up your reports. Okay, today we'll have a quick class of half an hour and followed by we'll take I'll give some assignments towards how to set up some reports. Okay, so wait a while, please. Anna chip.
సత్యాడు బంధాయి నుంచి ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది
మేము ఉగ్రవాదం సాధనలో మేము రాము
ఇది బండి తీసుకొని ఒక్కరి
అవునా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పు నేను
ఇది ఎంతమంది
నలుగురు
సత్య విద్య జాతారాయి
క్లాస్
ఈ నలుగురు
సరే ఒకటి నేను రెండు
ప్లీజ్ ఏమనుకోదు
రాములు మూడు సాధుల
నలుగురా
సత్య
600 ఈ నలుగురు
2400
600 ఈ నలుగురు
2400 మొత్తం ఇగో
ఒక దుబ్బాగా ఉన్నాడు ఒక గంట ఇస్తారా నేను ఎత్తా పైసలు
ఇగో 2400
నాలుగా
రావణ ఏమనుకోక ఒక్క 10 నిమిషాలు మీ క్లాస్ అయిపోతుంది క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా
క్లాస్ చెప్తారు కానీ మేము పోతారు కానీ
ఇప్పుడు
ఎక్కించా రాను
మొత్తం ఏం కావాలి నీకేం కావాలి చెప్తే నేను చేస్తా అది తక్కువ అని చెప్తే So sorry Ranjit and Nikhil, sorry for the disturbance. So we need to set up reports for the sake of complaints basically. So till yesterday we have discussed log activity and offenses. At the same point of time we have also seen some dashboards and all. So reports is something you can schedule or you can do something like it is very helpful for to do auto activity. So you wanna set up some complaints report for weekly, daily, fortnightly or monthly, or you can say it is something like half yearly and yearly. So for the sake of that it is quite easy for you to set up your report. So in Curadar Security Intelligence there is a facilities available. You can set up your reports. Okay, so how to do this setup? So by default there are some by default there are some reports are there, and they're also having like offenses with by category. See, if you see there are some inactive categories. See, these many are inactive category. Like that there are some reports. Like there also they have their groups. See, there are some basic groups are there. So out of which if you start talking about reports, it is more of your complaints basically. Why? Because this complaints is very related. It's very related to your audits, external audit and internal audit. So it is quite easy whether your organization is according to your complaint status of your COVID. You can say that the FISMA, GLBA, GSX, and you can say there are so many others, HIPAA and there are NERC, FAIR. There are so many complaint statuses. So you can keep on watching. You can keep an eye on that particular report so that you can come to know whether your organization is at par with your complaints or not. Okay. So for that we need to set up some of the reports, and these reports are it's readily by default there are some readily available. Some of the things are is available at your IBM this App Center. See, there is IBM App Central is there, App Exchange, where you can download those activities. So I have already downloaded, but I'll show you. We'll talk about App Exchange further, but there are some of the things are available. If you go and see in my Curadar, see these are the compliances. See, if you go and see, this is something like content packages for HIPAA, GDPR, GLB, and HIPAA. See, if it's see like that, there are so many compliance packages where you will automatically set up your you can say that particular compliance reports without creating manually. So there are some by default facilities are available, but you can also set up your own reports. See, if you talk about report, it's quite easy. Go to action, create a report. See, for the creation and report, you required either log activities, save searches. See, by default we have some save searches over here. You can utilize these, or you can also create your custom report by as we have seen on log activities day, how to set up a quick report. Otherwise also you can set up your reports manually by here. See, create your report. So it's quite easy. There's a wizard, it will open. Press next. So you'll have an option called manually, hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. So you can set up according to yourself. So you can
Vishnu, your screen is stuck.
Stuck. Oh shit. Man.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'll again reset my screen. Is now visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So see, just cancel it. I'll go back again and I'll show you once again. See, go to action. You can set up a report, create, and press next. See, you will get an option called hourly, manually. Manually is something you can do a manual. That will not set up any automated report. If you can also go for hourly report, this option is there. Daily report option is there. Weekly report option is there. Monthly report option is there. Along with this, see, if you go for suppose hourly, you can go for daily. See, on which day you wanna give, at what time you wanna give, on all those things. Okay. See, something like daily on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you want to go only for some days, some Wednesday, Thursday, or something like this, you can also select. On those days only it will start working. And if you are going for weekly, on which day? Weekly on which day? Monday and Tuesday and all, at what time? So here it is something like, see, every Monday, every Tuesday. Here it is daily, something called, if you can say on Monday, on Tuesday, every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and all these things. And you can also schedule in daily. You can also schedule at specific time, and you can also go for monthly. Monthly, day of the first month, second, third, fourth, or day of the every month. If it is up to 30th, 31st. So you can select. That may be Monday, that may be Tuesday. But if you are selecting 1st of Jan, means every 1st of Jan at 2 a.m. it will be created. But also it is giving some option called allow this report to generate manually. See, this is something if you have set up your report and you want to go for other than schedule. See, this is your schedule, but you want to go for manually also. If you are pressing no, that means this particular report will not be generated manually. It will only created on the basis of schedule only. So that's the reason you have to select either yes or no with respect to your manual according to your report. Okay. So then now press next. Okay. So you will get something called landscape and portrait. Landscape and portrait. If it is portrait, see, you will get option. There are some options. and there is something called landscape.
80 తీసుకుంటే 100.
So what is the meaning of this one? There is a line, there is 3 lines, there are 4 lines. What is the meaning of this one? So that means this is single report. You can merge 2 reports in a one format, 3 reports in one format, 4 reports. It's 3 reports, again 4 reports in this fashion. So you can select maximum of 4 reports in a one single column. So if you select this one, it will be given with 2 setup of your report. See, this is the one chart, this is the another chart, like that. If you are selecting something one, sorry, if you are selecting one, that means you can only create one report only. See, this is only one report, like that. See, I am going with the 2 reports so that we can come to know how to prepare 2 reports in a one setup. So I am selecting landscape. So now I am giving some report title. So this is something like compliance, suppose compliance user activity. Okay, activity. Now I am giving chart type. So on which charts you can see, there are so many options out of offenses, log activity, network activity, assets. So you can define on which chart it is. See, you want to select asset vulnerabilities, assets, events, logs, log sources, offense details, offense overtime, top destination IPs, top offenses. See, everything you are getting. So you can select it from anything. So I am going towards one type. See, I am selecting as the events now here. Now I am defining. By clicking here, I will define. Just define. You will be given with now chart. See, here there are some options. First and foremost, what is the kind of your report is. So I am giving some user activity. Okay, I am giving. So automatically specified on each chart, it will be automatically specified on the top of the thing. If you select, see, this is the first chart I am defining. That's the reason. So when you want to schedule first of every month, and what's the time zone, you can also select the time zone for scheduling.